Okay, so again, at this point, I'm just going to pick random questions from my math lab and go through them with you. My math lab number 3 says, determine if the pair of sets are equal, and then justify your answer. All right, you've got 2 sets here. You've got the first set, which is just the empty set, and the second set, which is the set of X such that X is a woman who voted in the United States before the year 1800. I don't know the exact date that women were allowed to vote, but it definitely was after 1800. Pretty sure it was the early 1900s, but I'm not a history buff. Never enjoyed history, I know, but math's my thing, so yes, these are equal because the empty set has no elements, and there were no women who voted in the United States before the year 1800, so they are equal. And let's see, I see when I look down at my choices here, this one says are not equal, so it can't be that one. And this one says are not equal, so it can't be that one. So the sets are equal because at least one woman voted in the U.S. before 1800. The sets are equal because no women voted in the U.S. No, we want an empty set, so that would be C. All right. Number 5. Decide if the given statement is true or false. And this time we have this symbol. Now that is the proper subset symbol, which means that every element in the first set also has to be in the second set, but the 2 sets cannot be equal. And I see a sailboat and a sailboat, and I see a canoe and I see a canoe. So every element in the first set is also in the second set, but the second set also has a fishing boat and a motorboat, so they're not equal. So this is a true statement. They are. The first set is a proper subset of the second one. So that's true. That is true. All right, number 9. Determine whether the following pairs of sets is equivalent. Now remember, equivalent means that the cardinal numbers of each set are equal. That is what equivalent means. So you have to figure out what's the cardinal number of each set. So starting with this set, X is a letter in the word cans. That has 4 letters. Let me switch to a different color here. Blue. Okay, so the cardinal number of this one is, they're not giving me any capital letter here. Oh well. We'll say that the cardinal number of the yellow set, where there's a will, there's a way. Whoops. Come on, pen, work with me here. Equals 4. And then we've got this other set over here. X is a letter in the word jars, J-A-R-S. That's the exact same thing. So in this one, the cardinal number of the pink, I'll figure this out. The pink set is also 4. So yes. Yes, there's 2 of them that say yes. So this one says no. This one says no. Yes. Both sets are subsets of larger sets. Both sets have the same number of elements. That is the definition of a cardinal number, same number of elements. Cardinal numbers is how many elements they have, and equivalent means the same number of elements. So it's yes. And I'm going to stop with this video and do another one.